Welcome to Soothing Pause Meditation. In this session, we'll tap into a sense of gratitude for all the goodness in our lives. Take a moment to find an easy seat on your chair or cushion. As you root down through your sitting bones, let your spine lengthen upward. Imagine you are being pulled very gently up by a string through the crown of your head. As you settle into a comfortable position, soften your face. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your lips and jaw. Let your shoulders gently soften. And as you relax your arms, allow your hands to rest in your lap. And now, take a few deep breaths. Inhale fully. And slowly exhale. Again, smoothly fill your lungs. And release your breath all the way out. And take a few more deep breaths this way. Let your inhales invite you to fully land into your practice. Your exhales help you relax. And now return to your natural breath once more. Let your inhalations and exhalations move effortlessly in and out. Observe the endless flowing cycle of the breath. As you continue to watch your breath entering and exiting the body, it is normal that distractions arise. Instead of judging yourself, simply notice that your mind has wandered. You can label your thoughts by silently repeating to yourself, thinking. And then lovingly return to your breath flowing in and flowing out. Notice the breath moving in and moving out. And again, when your mind begins to wander, silently say to yourself, thinking. And return to your breath again and again. Now, gently invoke a sense of gratitude. Start very simply by acknowledging this moment with gratitude. Gratitude for the time you've carved away to sit in meditation. And now, without overthinking, see what comes up for you when you think of what you are grateful for. Perhaps it's a special person in your life. Maybe it's a place you feel safe and peaceful in. Or you feel grateful for your health. Just take a few moments to bring to heart something you are grateful for. Now, take a few conscious breaths and notice the physical sensations of gratitude in your body. Notice the sensations of your thankful heart and let the feeling spread like a wave into your chest and out into your limbs, filling your entire body with gratitude. It is well known that gratitude creates happiness, yet it doesn't always come naturally. In our stressful day-to-day, it can be easy to focus on what's going wrong, what we don't have, or how we'd like things to change. The thing is, gratitude is a practice, just like meditation. It needs to be worked at, and it begins with a conscious and deliberate choice to change how we perceive our circumstances. We can choose to recognize what we do have, what is going right, what we enjoy and appreciate in our lives. In fact, the more we do this, the easier it becomes to notice the good that exists all around us. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as taking a few short moments each day to recognize the things, people, and situations that we appreciate. The comfort of our bed, the clean air we breathe, the warmth of a cup of tea, a stranger's smile. So why not make it a part of your everyday? Take a couple of minutes each morning or evening to acknowledge 3 things you're grateful for. You might share this short list with a loved one, write it in a journal, or just do it mentally. It doesn't matter how you choose to live your gratitude. The most important thing is to practice it regularly. Now return to your breath once more. Simply notice your body breathing. And when you're ready, gently move your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again soon.